Hello and welcome to Preps Willard, a K-8 school located on Willard Avenue. Here you'll find our elementary school, Prep Willard, and our middle school, E-Prep Willard, all located in the same building. My name is Reagan, and I'm so excited to take you on a tour of my school today. I'm an 8th grade student here, and I love coming to school every day to learn. Our school has so many cool things to see and do, and I can't wait to show you around. There's a little something for everyone here, for our vibrant college-themed classrooms to our fun playground and gym. Let's explore it all together. First up, the front office. It's not just about paperwork, it's where you'll find warm smiles, friendly faces, and a whole lot of welcoming vibes. They're always here to help answer questions and connect with families. And now we're off to the kindergarten, 1st, and 2nd grade classrooms. They're bright and colorful, and you'll probably see some of the amazing schoolwork on display.
You'll find 2 teachers in every kindergarten through 2nd grade classroom, providing a personalized learning experience for each scholar based on their skills, strengths, and needs. Kindergartners here learn the foundation for important skills like reading and math that they will carry with them throughout their entire life. And here we have our 3rd and 4th grade classrooms. These young learners are getting ready for the exciting journey ahead, all the way into middle school and beyond. Our 3rd and 4th grade scholars and the amazing teachers here are all about building, and not just smarts, but also character. They're like the dream team of making us not just great students, but also awesome people. We're talking about skills like teamwork, responsibility, and all the good stuff that helps us thrive in middle school and beyond. So in these classrooms, it's not just about books and numbers, it's also about growing into kind, smart, and capable individuals. Let's keep exploring, shall we? It's time to check out the 2nd floor where all the middle school magic happens.
Hi, my name is Gabby. This is where middle schoolers come to learn and prepare for high school and beyond. In this part of the school, we dive into a bunch of cool subjects like English, math, and science, you name it. And guess what? Just like in high school, each subject has its own special classroom. Students also have access to technology like Chromebooks that we use to do schoolwork. So follow me and let's see where all the learning adventures begin. This is where students who need a little extra help can go to get it. Our teachers offer support for students with IEPs, counseling, English as a new language support, speech therapy, and more. The teachers here are good at working with us and ensuring that we understand everything. It's a fun and supportive environment where everyone can feel welcome and comfortable. As we walk inside the school, you'll notice it's a busy place with classrooms, hallways, and lots of friendly faces. Now I've got something really special to show you, our Black Lives Matter mural. It's more than just paint on the wall. It's a powerful message and a piece of our school's history. This mural was actually painted by our beloved Willard alumni. It is a part of our school's history, and it is a reminder that even as young students, we can make a positive impact on the world. Every time we pass by this mural, it's a chance for us to think about our beliefs and values. It reminds us that our voice always matters, and we should speak up for what's right. Let's carry its spirit with us as we continue our tour and make our school even better. This is the gym. We get to run around, play games, and exercise. The gym is a great place to be. We get to move our bodies, have fun with friends, and stay healthy. We also use the gym for basketball, volleyball, assemblies, community circle, and other fun activities. And here is one of our 2 playgrounds. It's right in front of the school, and it's where we have tons of fun during recess, making new friends and playing games.
Well, it's been great showing you around our school today. I hope you had fun and learned a lot about the different places we visited. Preps Willard is a joyful place to learn and grow and make new friends. We have amazing teachers and staff here to help us thrive, and we have lots of cool programs and activities to get involved in. To learn even more, visit breakthroughschools.org or call our Office of Student Enrollment at 216-367-5720. Thanks for coming on this tour with me. We hope to welcome you soon.